This right here is why I should archive my Facebook videos, because I remember the very first time I ran my truck on hydrogen. I had hydrogen going in. Oh, this plug is blocked off.
Is it not supposed to be?
Shouldn't have been. But the thing is, like, I had hydrogen carbureted into the intake manifold, and the wasted spark system basically blew all this up. So that's why I'm having this cold air intake. Hilarious. What's up, you guys? This is Hydro, coming to you live from what I affectionately refer to as Pizza Planet. This is the new and improved Toyota 4Runner TRD Hydro version 5.0, but this 97 is not the star of this story. Actually, I would like to introduce you to two of my favorite trucks here. 1971 El Camino 350. And here we have, that was an ACL tear waiting to happen. We have a 99 Toyota 4Runner, courtesy of Jake from State Farm. I'm just playing. Anyway, so I had to do the cold air intake yesterday, and because he's getting ready for a trip. So this is basically a factory 4Runner setup, and no, I do not plan on running this car on hydrogen unless Jake wants me to, and Trump pushes the price of gas so high that he asked me to do so. But what I'm going to do for him, because he's my second client ever, first being Jeff Lear, I'm going to give him a Haltech ECU so that this truck can get 20 miles per gallon on the highway. I think even more than that, because Gabe from S&P was doing 20 miles per gallon with a trailer. So my 4Runner over there used to do, I'll say, 20 miles per gallon average before my tune started getting really bad. But with the best tune, my truck did 26 miles per gallon on the highway. So anyway, that is possible with these trucks with a lean burn tune. So I really want to thank the homie Jake from State Farm. I don't know why I keep saying that. For giving me this opportunity. And now it's time for me to go and get my salad.
You want to pop the hood?
No. Well, yeah, you can, actually. Pop the hood, John.
You can definitely hear it.
Oh, I did with mine. My turn. Oh yeah, that's just like mine. But see now, because you still got your cats, everything here is factory, so all you're hearing is the induction noise.
Really? That's lit, man. Well, thank you.
Thank you for doing business. I also, because you're my second client, I got Haltech ECU coming for you that will actually improve your gas mileage. And if you want to run it on hydrogen because Trump want to make everybody's life hell, I got you. But that's compliments on me.
All right. Thank you.
So you finna run?
What?
You finna run?
Yeah, see you, dude.
All right.